Oh,
10-3, 10-4.
10. Oh,
Oh, you don't.
good old Jumbo. Can you swim? All right, you guys. So finally got a chance to make it out here to the lake. It's really full, and there's a lot of trees broken down. But yeah, today's gonna be fun. This whole daylight saving kind of sucks, honestly, in my end, just because I love fishing and I love having fun after school. I'm a full-time student, so it kind of sucks whenever you like get out of class and it's already dark. I'm out here and fish and film a little YouTube video. We might throw in a challenge and see what kind of baits are working. Not a challenge necessarily, but just to kind of see what baits are working and what baits aren't. I haven't fished in 3 weeks, so I mean, who knows? Maybe it'll be great, maybe it won't. I can't tell you, but stay tuned. All right, so the wind has calmed down a bit. So I also did change it up to a buzz bait, and I put a white bandito bug to imitate shad, if that's what they're still eating, which I think it is. The water's freezing, but it feels like 75 degrees outside. So I just don't know whether they're like, I know that in the winter they're wanting some slow moving bait because they don't want to do anything, but oh yeah. Oh yeah. He followed him out. I know you guys saw that. That's pretty cool. First fish in 3 weeks. Not a big one, but he's cold for sure. Thanks, man. Yeah, I'm good. I was just double checking I didn't mess up. He got it right at the boat, so. And that was fast moving bait, so we might be onto something. If we can just get a couple more to react like that, I'll have an idea of what to rig up on the Corrado. That was like one of the most unexpected bites I've had this year. I'm just casually reeling it in. Oh yeah, that's 2. They're not huge, but hey, 2's 2. That's another one. Seems like a fire. Oh yeah. That's 3 on this buzzbait, so I think we're onto something. I need to get bit right here. There must be a fish chasing that. Come on. Really? Might get bit. Come on. You gotta be following that. Oh, that's a decent one. Oh, I got in a pickle. That's an actual decent one. That's not a bad one. It's too cold. See ya, man. Yeah. So the wind is brutal. It's like taking no for an answer. I'll probably give it like 20 minutes. If it calms down, sweet. If it doesn't calm down, nah.